welcome back. How are you all? I'm sure that you all are keeping yourself healthy, fit and fine. Well, I will not ask this that whether you are fit and fine or not, but because I'm sure that you are, because आप अपने मॉम डैड के साथ हैं, घर पर हैं भाई, घर पर रहेंगे तो आपके मॉम डैड तो बढ़िया खाना पीना खिलाते हैं, अच्छे से आपको हेल्दी रखते हैं और अच्छी आदतें आपको सिखाती हैं. बट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क कि क्या आप उन आदतों को, अच्छी आदतें जो आपके मॉम डैड आपको सिखाना चाहते हैं, आप उन्हें फॉलो कर रहे हैं? डू यू लिसन टू योर पेरेंट्स? Well, those who are listening to their parents obediently, they are really very good children. God is going to bless those children who are obedient. जो अपने मॉम डैड की, अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की, अपने से एल्डर्स की बात अगर सुनते हैं तो डेफिनेटली गॉड उनको बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग देते हैं, राइट? एंड यस, और एक और चीज़ अपने मॉम डैड की बात सुननी है. क्या बताओ? दैट यू हैव टू कीप योर सेल्फ हाइजीनिकली क्लीन. आर यू वॉशिंग योर हैंड्स ऑन अ रेगुलर इंटरवल? Do you wash your hands when you touch anything outside, or any vegetable or fruits what are being brought from outside, any grocery stuff which is brought from outside? You need to be very careful. Do not touch just anything which has been brought out. बाहर से अगर कोई चीज़ आई है तो उसे टच नहीं करना है आपको until and unless your mom or dad has sanitized it. जब तक उन्होंने उसको सैनिटाइज नहीं कर दिया है, ठीक है? हैंड्स फ्रिक्वेंटली वॉश करना है, हाइजीन मेंटेन करना है, हेल्दी खाना खाना है, जिससे कि आप किससे लड़ सकें? आप वायरस से, इन्फेक्शन से, जैसे कि कोरोना वायरस, उससे लड़ सकते हैं, फाइट कर सकते हैं और उसको डिशुम कर भगा सकते हैं, राइट? So children, I'm sure that you will follow all these things to keep yourself healthy and active. So children, now as you all know, आप सबको पता तो चल ही गया है कि आपके एग्जाम्स, हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम्स are approaching and you have also got the timetable, right? So the exams are beginning from 12th of October, and today do you know what it is? Today is 29th of September. It means that this month is gone, it's all over, right? तो अब आपके पास only 11 days are almost all remaining, ठीक है? And so very less days are remaining, so you have to now start preparing because it's your half yearly exam. If you want to really do good, you have to be extra cautious for your exam, for your preparation, right? It is not a unit test, it's a half yearly exam, so you have to be a little more careful while preparing for the exams, right? So today children, I am going to start the revision work from the literature portion, and the first that we will be doing is poem, and after that one prose. Okay, so here now I'm going to share the screen, and here, yeah, now it's revealed that today we are going to do first the revision of poem, that is what our grandma's for, and after that we will revise a prose, that is lesson 4, Little Aristo's Big Adventure, right? So here it is, the poem in front of you. What are grandmas for? Can we revise it? Grandmas are for stories about things of long ago. Grandmas are for caring all about the things you know. Grandmas are for rocking you and singing you to sleep. Grandmas are for giving you nice memories to keep. Grandmas are for knowing all the things you are dreaming of. But most important of all, grandmas are for love, right? So can we just read out the poem once again? Grandmas are for stories about things of long ago. Grandmas are for caring about all the things you know. Grandmas are for rocking you and singing you to sleep. Grandmas are for giving you nice memories to keep. Grandmas are for knowing all the things you are dreaming of. But most important of all, grandmas are for love, right? Now let's do the revision of what? Of this thing, the notebook that we have done. In the notebook, just a second beta, in the notebook we have done the exercise B, that is complete the lines of the poem, right? So आपको एग्जाम में ऐसे ही पैटर्न में आ सकता है, ठीक है? आपको ऐसे कंप्लीट द लाइंस दिया है, कहीं कहीं वर्ड्स मिसिंग रहेंगे एंड यू हैव टू fill the blank. Okay, so like tell me, grandmas are for dash, so what you are going to write? Stories. Grandmas are for stories, and the spelling of stories is stories. About things of dash ago, so about things of long ago. Grandmas are for dash, grandmas are for caring, caring, caring about all the dash you know, about all the things you know, things, things you know. So grandmas are for stories about all the things of about things of long ago. Grandmas are for caring about all the things you know, right? Now the next one, write the rhyming word of the following. So rhyming word आपको कैसे आ सकता है बेटा? For an example, think का rhyming word आपको पूछा गया है, think, think. So the rhyming of word of think can be sing, king, ring, right? Cling, right? लेकिन अगर आपको 3 options दिया है think का rhyming word, thin, think, thick, throne और दिया है king, तो बताओ क्या हो सकता है राइमिंग वर्ड? क्या थिक हो सकता है, क्या थ्रोन हो सकता है, क्या थोरो हो सकता है, या किंग हो सकता है? किंग ऑफ कोर्स ना, क्योंकि राइमिंग वर्ड क्या होता है? द वर्ड्स दैट राइम लाइक द सेम, दे हैव अ सेम राइमिंग वर्ड, राइमिंग स्कीम, यू कैन से अ रिदम, right? When the two words they rhyme like same, when we pronounce them and when we hear it, the sound is same, it's similar to the first one, so that makes a rhyming word. Like think, sing, ring and king, they all sound alike, एक जैसा साउंड करते हैं, so they are similar words, similar, they are different words but they have a same similar rhyming rhythm, you can say, right? So think, sing, ring and king. Sheep, keep, sleep, beep, nice, price, mice, dice, all, tall, mall, ball, right? So I'm sure कि आपने ये learn किया ही होगा, and you have to now revise it thoroughly with spelling so that you are able to remember each and everything in your exams too. You will be able, if any question comes from this, you will be able to answer it, right? Now let's start the prose, that is lesson number 4, Little Aristo's Big Adventure. So what was the story? The story was about a baby elephant whose name was Aristo, and the Aristo's name had a long name. The name of Aristo was Aristophanes Socrates. So one day mama and papa elephant, they always used to go where? To the forest to get lovely food to eat for Aristo, right? और अरिस्टो को हमेशा घर पर अकेले रहना होता था, right? So कोई भी अरिस्टो के साथ नहीं खेलता था. Nobody used to play with Aristo because Aristo was a huge elephant. Though he was a small baby elephant, but still, as compared to other creatures like turtles, like rabbit, so they were all small and elephant was huge, right? So only Aristo used to feel bad and he used to feel lonely. So he had one friend, that is Kaka. And who was Kaka? Kaka was a crow. Remember this thing, Kaka, अगर question पूछा गया Kaka was a eagle or a crow, तो क्या बोलेंगे आप? Kaka was a crow, right? So काका उसको सारी स्टोरीज बताता था कि दूर फॉरेस्ट से आगे बाहर विलेज है जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं अपने घर बना के, एंड दे आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. So Aristo used to get very excited and wanted to, see them. So then one day what happened? Aristo, without informing his mama and papa, he went for an adventure. अकेले निकल गया फॉरेस्ट में, और आफ्टर वॉकिंग लॉन्ग व्हेन ही रीच्ड एट द एज ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, देन ही सॉ दैट people, some houses and people around. और उसने गार्डन में किसको देखा? एक बेबी को देखा, एक ह्यूमन बेबी को देखा. राइट, कैन यू सी दैट ह्यूमन बेबी? सो लुकिंग एट द ह्यूमन बेबी, दिस poor Aristo got so excited and wanted to make a friendship with him. उससे दोस्ती करना चाहता था, तो जोर से वो बेबी ह्यूमन की तरफ भागा. एंड लुकिंग एट दैट, जो ये बेबी ह्यूमन की मदर थी वो बहुत डर गई, एंड शी थॉट कि ये एलिफेंट आ रहा है उसके बेबी को अटैक करने के लिए. सो व्हाट शी डिड, शी स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग, हेल्प हेल्प, द एलिफेंट इज गोइंग टू अटैक माय बेबी. राइट, तो क्या हुआ, सारे विलेजर्स अपना स्टेक ब्रूम लेकर बाहर आए एंड दे स्टार्टेड बीटिंग अरिस्टो. एंड अरिस्टो को तब तक मारा जब तक कि वो वापस मुड़कर फॉरेस्ट की तरफ नहीं भाग गया. एंड अरिस्टो भागते 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 फॉरेस्ट में क्या हो गया, खो गया. He was lost. He was not knowing कि वो कहाँ आ गया. And now he was lost. He was crying badly and he wanted to go home. Right? So suddenly then he saw up. उसने क्या देखा, ऊपर काका उड़कर आ रहा था. So he shouted, काका. काका जोर से कैसे आया बताओ, like an arrow. Right? And then he said, where you went Aristo? कहाँ चले गए थे? तो अरिस्टो ने सारी बात बताई, एंड अरिस्टो रोने लग गया. एंड ही सेड, आई वांट टू गो होम नाउ. सो देन व्हाट काका सेड, डोंट वरी अरिस्टो, आई विल टेक यू होम, यू जस्ट फॉलो मी. मैं ऊपर से फ्लाई करूँगा, तुम मुझे फॉलो करो. राइट, सो देन अरिस्टो फॉलोड काका एंड ही सून रीच्ड होम. घर पहुंचा तो वहाँ पर जब तक घर नहीं पहुंचा था तब तक मम्मा और पापा बहुत परेशान थे. अरिस्टो के मम्मा पापा, मम्मा was crying and papa was also almost all in tears. Then suddenly they heard a sound, and who was it? It was Aristo's sound. Aristo was making a trumpet sound, and then Aristo, he ran towards his parent, and how happy they were now. So now Aristo said that I promise I will not go anywhere without informing you. So then Papa ने क्या कहा, the world is an exciting place, but you must grow before you explore it on your own. वर्ल्ड, ये जो है दुनिया, ये बहुत एक्साइटिंग प्लेस है, लेकिन इसको देखने के लिए आपको पहले बड़े होना ज़रूरी है. अगर छोटे हैं तो आपको पता नहीं कि कैसे प्रॉब्लम से बचना है. राइट, तो हु सेड दिस, पापा एलिफेंट ने कहा था. तो अरिस्टो ने कहा, यस पापा, एंड ही स्नगल्ड क्लोज टू हिज ममा एंड tired but happy. Right, so this was the story of Aristo. Right, so let's now revise the book exercise. Who said these lines? Help, help, the elephant is attacking my baby. Baby's mother ने कहा था, but now I'm lost and scared, I want to go home. Who said this? Aristo. I will fly just above the trees and you can follow me. किसने कहा था ये? काका. The world is an exciting place. Who said this? Papa elephant. Who said this? Papa elephant. Right? Number B. Choose the correct option and complete the following sentence. The little baby elephant's name was Aristophanes Socratello. The woman shouted when she saw Aristo running towards a baby because she thought that the elephant was going to attack her baby. Right? Now the next one, ये हमने नहीं किया था, ये वाला हमने किया था. Read this sentence and underline the describing word. Describing words किसे कहते हैं? The words that describe the noun, जो विशेषता बताता है, स्पेशलिटी बताता है. For an example, if यहाँ मेरे सामने ये एक Caesar है, so the Caesar is small, so which word would be the describing word, the Caesar is small. So Caesar कैसा है? Small है. So small is a describing word. Or the Caesar is pink color. So what is the color of the Caesar? Pink. So pink is a describing word, right? So the one which describes about the noun, that is a describing word, right? So here can you see the monkey has a long tail. Monkey का tail कैसा है? Long. So long is a describing word. The rabbit has a pink nose. Rabbit का nose कैसा है? Pink. So pink is a describing word. There are tall trees in the jungle. Jungle में कैसे trees हैं? Tall. The peacock has beautiful feathers. So peacock के feathers कैसे हैं? Beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective. Is an adjective. The tiger is a strong animal. What kind of animal is this tiger? Strong. So strong is a describing word or adjective, right? Now let's do the next one. So rewrite the sentences, use is or are and the describing word. ये हमें नहीं करना है. Next one. What sound these animals make? Look for the answers in the box. Write the sound. So goat कैसे sound बनाता है? Bleat. Donkeys they bray. Lions they roar. Dogs they bark. Snakes hiss. And ducks quack. Right? Now the next one. And the next one. Here are some words from the story. Choose the word from the box which have same meaning. So little का meaning क्या हो सकता है? Small. Okay. Next one. Child, baby, scared, scared, afraid. Edge means corner. Cried means shouted. Worried means afraid, upset. Right? Not afraid, but it's upset. I'm upset or I'm worried. Right? Now, let's do the next one. This already we have done. This we don't have to do. Now we will be doing the notebook exercise, revision of notebook exercise, right? So ये new words थे, dictation words, spelling of middle, 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 spelling of wheels, 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 spelling of edge, 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 spelling of sticks, 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 spelling of brooms, 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 spelling of arrow, 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 spelling of scared, 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 spelling of tears, 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 trumpet, 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 tired, tired, tired. ये आपको एकदम बाय हार्ट करने हैं ये स्पेलिंग्स, राइट? डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स में आएंगे ये स्पेलिंग्स. नाउ वर्ड मीनिंग, ये आपको वर्ड दिया रहेगा और उसका मीनिंग आपको बताना होगा. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड एडवेंचर? Meaning is an exciting experience. What is the meaning of adventure? An exciting experience. Attacking, hurting someone bodily. Attacking, hurting someone bodily. Trumpet, the sound of elephants. Trumpet, the sound of elephants. Explore, travel to new places. Explore, travel to new places. Number C is fill in the blanks. Little baby elephant has a dash name. So what kind of name he had? Long, L-O-N-G, long name. Aristo came to the dash of the jungle. So Aristo came to the edge of the jungle. Edge means corner. Kaka the crow came down like a dash. Kaka the crow came like an arrow. A-R-R-O-W, arrow. Two big dash rolled down Aristo's long nose. So Aristo की long nose से क्या दो आ गए थे? Tears या smile? Tears, T-E-A-R-S, tears. Aristo dashed close to his mama. Aristo snuggled. Snuggled means ऐसे हम मम्मा के पास कभी ऐसे जाकर close ऐसे चिपक जाते हैं ना, so that is called as snuggling. S-N-U-G-G-L-E-D, snuggled, right? Next, number D. Little baby elephant had a long name, Aristophanes Socrates. So is it a true statement or a false statement? It's true. The baby's mother saw a monkey towards her child. This is false. Monkey आ रहा था क्या? कि elephant आ रहा था? Elephant आ रहा था ना? काका द ईगल स्पेंड टाइम विथ अरिस्टो। काका ईगल जो था अरिस्टो के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करता था। अरिस्टो के साथ काका टाइम स्पेंड करता तो था, बट क्या वो ईगल था? नो, ही वॉज अ क्रो। सो दिस statement is false statement. Next, number 4. People beat poor little Aristotle. He ran back into the jungle. This statement is true. सब लोगों ने इतना मारा जब तक कि वो वापस भाग नहीं गया जंगल की तरफ. Right? Next, number E. Exercise number E. Question answers. Question 1. Why did Papa and Mama Elephant leave every morning? Papa and Mama Elephant left every morning to get lovely things for Aristo to eat. Question 2 is, why did Aristo run towards the baby human? Aristo ran towards the baby human to make a new friend. Number 3. Question number 3. Why did Aristo run away from the people? Aristo ran away from the people because they had beaten him. Question number 4. Who found Aristo when he was lost? Kaka the crow found Aristo when he was lost. Next one, make sentence. Make a sentence with little. My brother is a little boy, or I have little water in my water bottle, right? Next one is jungle. Make a sentence. Wild animals live in the jungle, or in the jungle there are tall trees. Number 3 is long. So make a sentence with long. Elephant has a long trunk, or there is a long rope. I have a long rope, or I have a long way to go, right? Number 4, lovely. So you have a lovely smile, or you have a lovely dress, right? So these are the mixed sentences. I'm sure that now you are, completely reversed. Now you know what you are supposed to do. And what you are supposed to do now, you have to learn them nicely. अब आपको मैंने आज दो, एक पोएम और एक प्रोज लर्न कराया है, रिवाइज कराया है. अब आपकी बारी है, आपको सब अच्छे से लर्न कर लेना है. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल टेक अ टेस्ट. मैं एक टेस्ट लूँगी छोटा सा, ठीक है? एंड आई विल सी दैट हाउ वेल यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड. सेम आज मैंने जो रिवाइज कराया है इसी का मैं टेस्ट लूँगी. एंड आई विल आस्क यू ऑल, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट क्लास तो हमारा जूम क्लास है. जूम क्लास में मैं पूछूंगी आपसे कि आपने क्या क्या लर्न किया, किसी को जिसको मैं क्वेश्चंस करूँगी. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड. आई विल आस्क डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ यू. कोई किसी का भी टर्न आ सकता है. सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग. And that's it for today, my dear little children. Take rest, and yes, do thorough studies and do thorough preparation for your half yearly exam. Till then, just keep smiling and keep cheering yourself.